The most important point for us was that we really needed to simplify cybersecurity, to take a lot of the complexity and a lot of the pain out of it. And we believe SMB1001 has really done that for small businesses. Yeah, hi, I'm Peter Maynard. I'm one of the co-founders of Dynamic Standards International, DSI, an international standards organisation that's responsible for managing and the development of SMB1001, a multi-tiered cybersecurity standard for small and medium business. When we first started, the intention was to establish it in Australia and to prove that it had value for the market, for the small business clients, but also for the MSPs and the IT providers that support them. Well, we've seen good uptake and great uptake in Australia, but also across the Pacific, expanding globally. And today, the 1st of November, is that official cutover date where we've become an international organisation. This impacts MSPs by opening up opportunities for them and how they can engage more broadly with their clients on cybersecurity. SMB 1001 was intended to make cybersecurity simpler and more understandable for the clients, and in doing so make it easier for the IT providers and MSPs that support them to provide the services that they need. Another key differentiator with SMB 1001 is that it's a certifiable standard, which means a business can certify that they've actually taken these steps and then get some business benefit from that. They're able to demonstrate to their clients and their partners and their trading partners that they've taken action on cybersecurity and that they're moving in the right direction. So SMB 1001 has 5 tiers to it. It's a multi-tiered standard. Starting at level 1 is an entry point that really any business should be able to attain. It has 6 simple requirements that both ensure the business has adequate protection in place, but also the ability to recover if needed. And then as you move up the standard from levels 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it progressively gets more complex. The first 3 levels of the standard are certifiable via director attestation, which means a director of the business will attest to the fact that the requirements have been completed, and off the back of that, a certification is issued. This has allowed us to really reduce the price of certification. Typically, businesses may spend $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 in achieving a certification. We've brought it down to a starting point of $95, and that's written in the standard, so that's a business can't be charged more than that. The most important point for us was that we really needed to simplify cybersecurity, to take a lot of the complexity and a lot of the pain out of it, and we believe SMB 1001 has really done that for small businesses. It's made it easy for them to go on the journey. It's also made it really easy for MSPs to evolve their capability and their business offerings to a client base that will start to demand a broader range of skills and services, particularly around the process and the people components. So we're hoping that SMB 1001 will really help MSPs grow their practice into MSSPs, where they can offer that full solution of both technology provider as well as the cyber risk manager for that business.